In this video, we'll learn how to make a clip transparent in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have two clips on the timeline with one clip placed above the other. Transparency only works when there is something underneath the clip. Now select the top clip. This is the clip you want to make transparent. With the clip selected, go to the Properties panel on the right side. Under the Video section, you'll find the Opacity control. By default, opacity is set to 100%, which means the clip is fully visible. Start lowering the opacity value. As you reduce it to something like 70% or 50%, you'll immediately see the clip underneath showing through in the program monitor. Lower values make the clip more transparent, and higher values make it more solid again. This method gives you precise and predictable control over transparency and is the correct way to handle opacity in Premiere Pro. This is commonly used for overlay effects, reaction videos, watermarks, and that's it. You now know how to make a clip transparent using opacity in Adobe Premiere Pro, using the correct and modern workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.